How to win back your ex and transform your life. Have you recently lost someone you deeply loved? Does it feel like your world has shattered and there's no way to bring them back? Let me tell you something. It's not the end. Losing a relationship can be devastating, but it's also a chance for transformation. In today's video, I'll share the ultimate guide to winning your ex back. Not by chasing them, but by becoming the person they'll never want to lose again. Are you ready to reclaim your happiness and reshape your life? Let's dive in. 1. Acknowledge and accept the breakup. You can't fix what's broken unless you truly understand why it broke in the first place. Take a deep breath and analyze what went wrong. Was it a lack of communication, trust issues, or simply drifting apart? Accept the reality of the breakup. Not to give up, but to lay the foundation for a fresh start. Remember, acceptance isn't about blaming yourself. It's about recognizing what can be improved. 2. Give space. The power of no contact. Here's a golden rule. Stop trying to contact them immediately after the breakup. It may feel counterintuitive, but giving space allows emotions to settle. This is your opportunity to focus on yourself. And trust me, they'll start wondering about you during this time. What's going on in your life? Are you moving on? Have you changed? 3. Transform yourself. Become unforgettable. Now is the time to work on your personal growth. Take a moment to ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to be? Start with small steps. Hit the gym or take up yoga to boost your physical and mental health. Pick up a new hobby that excites you. Learn something new, like a skill or language. When you transform yourself into the best version of you, not only will you feel amazing, but your ex will see a version of you they can't ignore. 4. Rebuild contact. The art of subtlety. After you've given enough space and worked on yourself, it's time to re-establish communication. But don't rush. Start casually. A simple text like, "Hey, I saw something today that reminded me of you. Hope you're doing well." Keep it light, friendly, and pressure-free. This creates a comfortable environment to reconnect without reopening old wounds. 5. Show, don't tell. When you finally meet, let your actions speak louder than words. Show them the new, improved version of yourself through your attitude, confidence, and positivity. Avoid bringing up past mistakes unless necessary. Instead, focus on how much you've grown and what you've learned from the experience. 6. Patience and respect. Here's the hard truth. Not all relationships can be mended, and that's okay. Winning your ex back isn't just about convincing them to return. It's about creating a healthy, happy connection that benefits both of you. If they choose not to come back, respect their decision. And remember, your value doesn't depend on someone else's approval. Winning back your ex isn't just about fixing a broken relationship. It's about fixing yourself first. When you grow into the person you were always meant to be, everything else will fall into place. Whether they come back or not, you'll be ready to live your best life. If this video inspired you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing advice. Let's grow together and build a future where we thrive, no matter what challenges come our way. Have you ever tried to win someone back? What worked and what didn't? Share your stories in the comments below. Your experience could help someone else. And remember, your journey to happiness starts right now.